Here's a Somali what they believe in McDonald's. This oil is fries. This which is only fries, nothing else. Same fries. This is the chicken wing. That's all in here. And here's lots of fries, which is you can see. And here's only meat, nuggets, chicken nugget, here's fish fillet. This side's fish fillet, this side's crispy. That's it. There's nothing else, bacon, nothing else. That's what we do in this Somali. This nugget, here's nugget, wing, here's chicken wing. Here's a crispy chicken, and here's hamburgers. You know what I'm saying? These are fries. This is pot only fries, just fries. Let's go. Where else? Over here. Here's the bacon, just only bacon. Bacon. Huh? Yeah, I'm not talking about. The bacon's only go here. Just only bacon, right? And here's the McDonald's, dude. Alright. Okay. That's it. I think that's it. So make sure I believe Somali McDonald's, they have everything you needed. It don't matter whatever it is. Everything. Thank you. Thank you.